All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you remember yesterday, had the 300-foot length of wire on the ground. Went ahead and finished that wire pull this morning, going through these J-hooks once again and back through this. I think it's a 3/4 or 1-inch conduit. Can't remember exactly. Looks like a 3/4. So went ahead and pulled that through the wall. Went through the other side of the wall. Sorry, it's a little dark. Went through the J-hooks, down the J-hooks, through the box extension, through the wall, and then pulled that through the pipe, which is connected to the box, and then that was it. So had about, I think, 80 extra feet of wire. We went ahead and just cut that off, and we'll reuse that somewhere else, but I just wanted to pull a bunch of extra so we don't have to do it a third time, because it wasn't fun. Anyways, moving on, the second part of the day, went ahead and not repulled some wire, but I took out some wire that was sitting on top of that unit inside that room and rerouted it. It was running down this, I don't know the exact name of this. It's not really a tray cable, but this low voltage tray. When there's a wire that we had running down there, and we needed to take it out and run it down these bridle rings. And these are the magnetic bridle rings again, the Mag Daddies. So I had to add a couple more Mag Daddies on the beam because needed some more support coming out of the pipe, and then coming down out of the ceiling, went back through the pipe and back into the room. And then same thing on the other side. There was another run coming out of the pipe right there on the right side, going through these pipes. So I had to pull it out of this room on the other side of this green wall, pull the wire back out, and then re-ran it up through the Mag Daddies again on the ceiling right there, and then pulled the wire back through. There was a pull string in it, but I didn't want to deal with it, so I just boomed my ladder down every few feet and pulled it through because I didn't want to have to go grab a string, tie it on, and then all that stuff. So I just figured save some time and just do it my way. And then at the end of the day, started working on a third thing. There was a lot of wait time today, I'm not gonna lie, standing around waiting for answers and stuff like that. But anyways, went ahead and started working on this right here, which is for the HVAC, which is what we've been wiring. All our wire pulls. There's the yellow wire, which is the thermostat wire, the Cat 6, and then 2 blue wires and 2 white wires, and that will look like this. I haven't done one yet, but this is another one that's done and completed the right way, I believe. So there's going to be like this kind of like a little modem or whatnot. I don't know the specific name for it, but it's for the HVAC. You put it in there, and then you put all your wires to it, make your terminations. And this is the wiring diagram. It's a little confusing slightly. But anyways, I wrote down some personal notes on here just to make it easier for myself to know how that goes. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Like I said, there was a bunch of wait time, but the day went by really fast, and I did leave a little bit early again for 9 hours. There is a fine line between wanting to make money and pay things off and not be in debt, but there's also, I feel like right now I just need to work a little bit shorter days, enjoy my life a little bit for an extra hour, just, take some time to myself, just kind of regroup and not work myself to death. A little breaks go a long ways. I'd rather have a little bit more happiness than a little bit of more sadness or dread in my life. Not that working is dreadful, but just some days it'll just really get to you if you're working the same amount of hours every day. But I really do like working shorter hours, like 8 hours is nice, but even 9 hours isn't too bad. But like once I start getting into 9.5 hours, it's like, oh, I just really want to go home. So anyways, it was another good day, rainy, not really any sun out. So it was a good day, but I'm not like super excited like yesterday. I think the weather really does make a difference, and can't wait for the summer or spring to start or bring out the sun. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, and that would help out the channel, and I appreciate it. Love to see the support. And anyways, about 50 subscribers till the 6,000 giveaway. Like just yesterday we just hit 5,900, I believe, so that like 50 subscribers like halfway through the day is crazy. So I appreciate you guys so much, and I'd love to get to know you guys in the comments. Don't forget to check the description for anything else and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. I just made like 4 videos out in the garage, so I really don't want to upload 4 in one day, but if just one person wants 4 videos today, I'll drop all of them. It might take a little bit of editing. Maybe I don't have to do any editing, but if someone wants to see all 4 videos tonight and they're like, I really need to do something tonight, I want to watch 4 of your videos, or 5 including this one, then drop a comment and I'll upload all of them tonight, and then everyone else can watch them whenever they want. If not, I'll upload like 1 extra per day, so I'll have 2 videos per day. So anyways, that'll do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. I might do a live stream later for dinner or Fortnite later with the boys and Jessica. All right, guys. Peace out. And one more thing I just wanted to mention, I used lineman's pliers today. They weren't even mine. I borrowed one of my coworkers' lineman's pliers, and clearly not very experienced with them, but they also did have the fish tape pulling grips on the bottom. And what would you know, I stuck my hand right in between the fish tape pullers and pinched my hand pretty good. So as you can see, I cut the skin off of there because it was a blood blister, and I already have a second blood blister coming through. So it looks like me and lineman's pliers aren't made to be friends. Like, I don't even think they're on the union tool list. Like, they're just not that important. But a lot of electricians make a big stink that linemen's are life. But if you're not pre-twisting, you really don't need them. So anyways, that's my 2 cents. Have a good day. Stay salty. Bye.